What's up, everybody? Yeah, today is the day. I have awesome news for you today. So I got a little donation from one of my viewers here. Very big thanks for this. This helped me out a lot because now I was able to get some new stuff for the Tesla coil. So, and in this case, I want to do today a little unboxing video and show you what I got, because I have some packages here. They arrived today. That's a big heavy one and a smaller one. Yeah, I would say let's just start with the smaller one, I would say, and I'll show you what I have in mind and yeah, what I want to build in the future. Yeah, let's start this. So let's see what we have here. Yeah, by the way, look at this beauty. It's my old trusty Müller Jäger knife. It's a pretty nice knife, by the way. So, what we have here is some cable. This is for a new primary coil. I want to try a little bit around with a really special design of it. So for this, maybe later more, or in the next video. So here some diodes. These are actually, I hope I remember right. Oh man, I'm not sure at the moment. But I think these are 15 amps diodes at 1 kilovolts. So because I have to work a little bit on the voltage doubler circuit, because this circuit is pretty weak at the moment, and this thing is getting now really fat. So for this I need bigger diodes. So because my old diodes are just 3 amps diodes at 1 kilovolts, or many in series. In this case I think I built this up to 26 kilovolts, but only 3 amps, and I'm not sure if this thing can withstand the high currents I want to achieve. So because of this I have new diodes. Here are resistors. So because we come to this later. And we have here some wire, because I want to build a new secondary coil too. So I want to, how should I say, I want to try in the future some different resonant frequencies. So I want to go higher with my resonant frequency. So for this case, I need different wiring, different wire for the secondary coil. So, and for this I bought 100 meters of how should I say this on English? It's 0.5 square millimeters wire. I'm actually not sure how much this is in diameter on millimeters, but it's way thicker than the original wire I have now, and also the insulation is spacing the wires from each other, or the turns from each other, so the resonance frequency will later go go to around 1 megahertz or a little bit higher. So I have to figure this out. Yeah. So much for this. So, next package. So now we get into the really exciting stuff. So, I'm really excited for this. Yes. Let's see what's in there. Oh. Okay. So, I think you can see it. We have here some, okay, hopefully I get this on the camera. We have some pretty big capacitors. These are rated to 1.6 kilovolts in average at AC at 60 microfarads. So, and I have some more of them. Okay, nice thing. The guy that packaged these capacitors shorted them out. So on the, I got them from eBay. On the picture from eBay, they were not shorted. So I actually was not sure what I'm seeing here. But yeah, it looks good. Thank you for this. I'm not dying today. So let's see. How many we got from them? 1, 2, also shorted. 3. 4. 5. Let's see. Is there more? Oh yeah. 6. 7. Oh, this one is dented pretty badly. So yeah, I have to measure them. So I got a really nice cheap. Yeah, I got them pretty cheap. So I hope this one will work. So these are paper oil capacitors. Yeah. Did you hear this? I'm not sure. Okay. So we have here 7 and 8. So now I think you are getting the point what I want to try to achieve in the future. I want to experiment a little bit. What I say a little bit. I want to experiment with a pretty big voltage doubler circuit. I think I just need 3 of these capacitors. So this will get me about 20 microfarad at a little bit over, oh no, it's about, wait, I can't calculate, my head don't work, somewhere over 4 kilovolts, I think almost 5 kilovolts. So I'm pretty stoked about this. I really want to see what's happening when I really yeah, tune this voltage doubler. So I think I will get way bigger arcs out of my Tesla coil with that, and with the other capacitors I think I we'll do some different experiments. Yeah, I have something in mind, but for this, yeah, I will just say stay tuned. So I would say let's test some of these. I'm actually not sure if they are good. The seller said, yeah, these are good and good to use. These are measured okay. Everything is in its rating, but yeah, when I see these dents, yeah, we will see. So first I want to measure them, and then I would say I bring out one microwave oven transformer and use them just for a little voltage doubler, and yeah, we will see if they break down or just work normally. Yeah, I'm stoked about this. So first I think I will start with the heavily dented one. Looks not good to my eyes. I don't know what these caps can withstand. So here's one more. It's a deeper dent. Let's just try them. So, and I'm actually not sure if if my multimeter can measure these big capacities. So we find out. Wait. Make it this way. Okay, let's see. Oh, 64 microfarads. This looks good. Nice. So the capacity is pretty good on this one. Okay. In this case, this capacitor is pretty good. So let's try this one. I hope you can see this. Oh, what's wrong here? Do I have some issues here? What's going on? $62.6 microfarads. Nice. That's okay too. Okay. So I would say I don't have to show you the other capacitors. This will take way too long. So first I will measure them too, and then we come back and I will build with this too. I will desolder here these pieces and I will apply them as a voltage doubler or just as a resonant cap for my bigger microwave oven transformer, and then we will test it and draw some arcs. I'm stoked about this. So here you see a little part of these capacitors. So I put them in series, put some resistors over them, so a little bit for balancing, and yeah, that they safely discharge after use, but also I shorted them here. Yeah, for now it's no need for this because I know these resistors work. I measured them, but after using them in the Tesla coil, you always can't be absolutely sure these resistors live through this. And yeah, always make sure these capacitor banks are shorted. So because this stuff is super dangerous. So we have here a capacitor bank or 3 capacitors attached in series, and now for a total voltage rating of 4.8 kilovolts and capacity of about 20 microfarad. So that's quite a lot. It has some power in it. I can calculate that. I think that's almost the power of an 22 long rifle cartridge, or the kinetic power of it. So no joke with this stuff. This is super dangerous. Yeah, but I actually tested this on my microwave oven transformer, but the problem was, yeah, these capacitors are way too big to use them to get this transformer in resonance. So it was nothing cool to see there. So because, yeah, I've done it off camera. So, but what I want to do now is I want to show you how this Tesla coil runs now with my DIY caps there. Yeah, these wall caps have around, oh, I have to think about it. I think about 6 microfarad in total. I have some more here, but yeah. So now I want to show you how the arc looks with them, and then I throw them away. Oh, not throw them away, but yeah, I change them for these bad boys, and then we will see what happens. If anything changes, I think, yeah, there will be a big change. But yeah, let's see. So just started this thing. So how you see, there are the old caps. I'm now at my lowest power setting, but I think in this case you can see the difference between the caps the best, I think. So that's the lowest rating. Works nice and smooth. The arc is about, I would say, 90 centimeters long. So this target up there is about 1 meter 25 centimeters high above the breakout point. Yeah, that's it. So let's change to the other capacitors. Okay, now we have the setup with the new capacitor bank. Oh man, I'm stoked. Man, yeah. Okay, let's see how this will perform. Everything is insulated from the ground, insulated from each other. So yeah, it's a junky setup. So I say something to this later. But yeah, it's just to test it, how it works. Okay, shut off this light. Let's see if my voltage doubler diodes will hold strong. Okay, the arc is looking a little bit more powerful at the low voltage setting. And I have a relays for a soft start sitting yeah, on place behind the ballast transformer that I'm using now. And this relay clicks every time when the arcs appears. So in this case, I know this Tesla coil draws way more current than before, because before I didn't have this issue. I don't know if you heard this. Yeah, I would say I changed to a little bit higher power setting, and let's see how this performs there. Okay, now I changed to a little bit higher power setting. I am actually a little bit nervous about the tubes and about the voltage doubler diodes, but yeah, let's see. Okay. Oh man, these arcs are a little bit bigger, yeah? But something is really odd. What's this? Okay, for the first test, something is a little bit odd. Should we go? Yeah, I go one power rating up higher, and then I will stop this. Okay, let's try it again. And let's see if the triac dies or my diodes. Okay, something is pretty odd here. I think I have to figure this out. Yeah, but for the first test, the capacitors work. I thought it would make a little bit bigger difference in the voltage doubler circuit with a way bigger capacity. But maybe something different is wrong with this Tesla coil. Because the timing is a little bit odd here on my staccato control. Yeah, we will see. So, unfortunately, yeah, this was not what I hoped. But it's okay, it's not that bad, because I didn't tune anything. I just changed the capacitor on the voltage doubler, and that's it. So there is much more that I can do. So I can change the diodes in the voltage doubler. I can work on the triac to switch on and off the tubes. And also I want to work on a different tuning with different primary and secondary coil. So in this case, it's just the beginning. And that's pretty good that I have now these capacitors, because this opens way more possibilities for me, and to reach way more power out of this coil. So in this case, it's just the beginning, and yeah, in the next video, so for the future, I want to rebuild this Tesla coil, because the power supply is now on a state. I have big capacitors, I have the right diodes, I have big transformers, they are big enough, I have the 2 tubes. So this basic thing is something that don't have to change anything in the future. So I can rebuild this to to get it a little bit better, to get it a little bit tighter in the wiring, get a little bit better wiring, I would say, so everything stays a little bit safer. So in this case now all the wires flying everywhere, I don't like it at working with high voltages. This is pretty bad. I want to change this. So and then when we have the basics, so we have all the base, so then I can work a little bit better on the primary and secondary, and this is something I want to do in the future. So I have something in mind with a different primary coil, a little bit different setup on this, not the standard winding. I want to try some different. So stay tuned on this. But yeah, I would say thanks for watching. We see us in the future. I hope so. When you like this video, leave a like or subscribe. That would be cool. So, bye bye.